Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your friends are celebrating their anniversary and you're searching for the perfect gift, this video is for you. Today, we're sharing 20 thoughtful, practical, and meaningful anniversary gift ideas for friends that they'll truly appreciate. Let's get started. Number 1. Customized photo frame. A beautiful photo frame with a memorable picture is always a meaningful gift. Number 2. Personalized couple mugs. Matching mugs with names or cute quotes make a fun and practical present. Number 3. Decorative candle set. Elegant candles help create a warm and cozy atmosphere at home. Number 4. Smart digital photo frame. Perfect for displaying favorite memories and family photos. Number 5. Personalized name sign. A custom wooden or LED name sign adds a stylish touch to their home decor. Number 6. Cozy blanket. A soft blanket is perfect for relaxing evenings together. Number 7. Indoor plant set. Beautiful plants bring freshness and positivity into any living space. Number 8. Customized wall art. A personalized canvas with names, dates, or quotes creates a sentimental gift. Number 9. Coffee machine. A great anniversary gift for couples who love coffee. Number 10. Matching couple hoodies. Comfortable and fun for casual everyday wear. Number 11. Kitchen appliance upgrade. Useful items like an air fryer, blender, or toaster can make daily life easier. Number 12. Handmade scrapbook. Fill it with photos, memories, and handwritten notes for a personal touch. Number 13. Travel bag set. Perfect for couples who enjoy vacations and weekend trips together. Number 14. Personalized key holder. A stylish organizer for keys and small essentials. Number 15. Luxury bath towel set. Soft, premium towels are both practical and thoughtful. Number 16. Customized calendar. A calendar filled with memorable photos for every month of the year. Number 17. Home decor accessories. Elegant vases, decorative trays, or modern table decor pieces. Number 18. Couple slippers. Matching slippers are cozy, cute, and useful at home. Number 19. Gift basket. Create a basket with snacks, coffee, candles, and small home essentials. And finally, number 20. Surprise dinner setup. Plan a beautiful anniversary dinner setup at home to make their day extra special. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gift ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.